Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. We are in the chapter Dissolution of Partnership Firm, and in last 2-3 classes we have discussed about dissolution along with questions which we have solved by preparing realization account, partners capital account, and cash account. In today's question, we are going to take one more account into consideration, which is known as partners loan account. This partner's loan account we already read while doing the chapter retirement of a partner, and it is going to come in this question also. So let's go directly to the question, which says Prashant and Rajesh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. In spite of repeated reminder by the authorities, they kept dumping hazardous material into a nearby river. The court order for the dissolution of their partnership firm as on 31st March 2012. Prashant was deputed to realize the assets and to pay the liabilities. He was paid rupees 1000 as commission for his services, and the financial position, which means the balance sheet of the firm, stands on 31st March 2012 as follows. So here are the liabilities and the assets given to us, and we will start a question, as you all know, by preparing realization account, in which the first thing is we will transfer these assets into realization account: building, investments, debtors, bills receivable, and goodwill. These five assets will be transferred to the realization account on the debit side, and from liabilities we have to transfer creditors, Mrs. Prashant's loan, investment fluctuation fund, to the credit side of realization account. Now, children, if you see this question, there are two loans. One is Mrs. Prashant's loan, which will be transferred to realization account along with the other liabilities, and the second is Rajesh's loan account. So we have to take care, and in fact, you should write down in your copy right now that partner's loan account is not transferred to realization account. I repeat, partner's loan account is not transferred to realization account. Next line. Whereas partner's relative's loan is transferred to the realization account on the credit side along with other liabilities. Partner's relative loan is transferred to the realization account on the credit side because it is an outside liability. So this is new in this question. You should take care of this. So with this balance sheet, having discussed which assets will be transferred to realization account and which liabilities will go to realization account, let us see where are the other heads going to be transferred. So capital, as you know, this will be transferred as by balance BD in the capital account on the credit side. Provision for doubtful debts along with the liabilities, it will also go on the credit side of realization account. Cash account will be the opening balance of cash account on the debit side, and profit and loss account, being an accumulated loss, will be distributed among partners on the debit side. So children, you can see on the debit side we have building 1,20,000, investment 30,600, debtors 34,000, bills receivable 37,400, goodwill 4,000. This has a journal entry: realization account debit to building account to investment account to debtors account to bills receivable account to goodwill account, being sundry assets transferred to realization account. This has to be a compound entry. Second entry is to transfer these liabilities: provision for doubtful debts account debit 4,000, creditors account debit 80,000, Mrs. Prashant's loan account debit 40,000, and investment fluctuation fund account debit 8,000 to realization account, being sundry liabilities transferred to realization account. Now let's discuss adjustments. So the first adjustment says Prashant agreed to pay off his wife's loan. So remember, we have already transferred Mrs. Prashant's loan on the credit side. So the settlement of this liability will go on the opposite side, that is debit side. And since partner is taking over this liability of paying off loan of his wife, so the entry goes realization account debit to Prashant's capital account, wife's loan, for our reference 40,000. I hope this is clear. The second adjustment says debtors realize rupees 24,000. Realize means sold for cash. So this has to go on the credit side of realization account by cash, debtors 24,000. Next is Rajesh took over all investments at rupees 27,000, an asset taken over by the partner Rajesh. So we have to credit it to debit it to Rajesh capital on the credit side of realization account by Rajesh capital 27,000 being investment taken over by partner Rajesh. The next adjustment says building realized rupees 1,52,000. Realize again, it means sold for cash. It comes under cash head on the credit side, building 1,52,000. I hope you all are getting this. Next is creditors were payable after 2 months. They were paid immediately at 10% discount. So then take care, this is only 10%. This is not saying 10% per annum. So what we have to take care is we will calculate 10% as discount, deduct it from the amount of the creditors and pay the amount to the creditors. 2 months will have no consideration in our calculation since per annum was not given. So if you calculate 10% of creditors which was already transferred to realization account, you can see here creditors 80,000, 10% goes 8,000. So you subtract 8,000 from 80, that means 72,000 is paid to the creditors which comes on the debit side. To cash account, creditors 72,000. I hope you're getting this. You must not forget that the transfer of liabilities is always on the credit side of realization account. Settlement of liability comes on the debit side. Transfer of assets is on the debit side of realization account, whereas settlement of asset goes on the credit side. Crisscross, as I told you in previous video. Now the next adjustment says bills receivable were settled at a loss of rupees 1,400. This is loss of rupees 1,400. So we have to subtract this amount from bills receivable, which stands at 37,400. You subtract 1,400, the resultant amount is 36,000. So since this was sold for cash, this also comes under the head by cash, bills receivable 36,000. And finally, we add up these three amounts for debtors, building and bills receivable, which adds up to 2,12,000. And there is a journal entry. Cash account debit to realization account 2,12,000 being sundry assets sold for cash. And this will have the second posting in our cash account when we make it on the debit side. It will also go from right to left, crisscross, you remember. Then we have adjustment of the question is saying realization expenses amounted to rupees 2,500, which is mostly a part of every question. So this goes on the debit side of realization account under the head cash. Realization expenses 2,500. And now we have two heads under cash on the debit side, creditors 72,000, realization expenses 2,500, total 74,500, for which there's a compound entry, realization account debit to cash account. Now if you remember, above the balance sheet there was a line which says that Prashant was appointed to do all the realization of assets and liability settlement, for which he was given a commission of rupees 1,000. So this comes on the debit side of realization account as to Prashant's capital, commission paid to him 1,000, for which the journal entry is realization account debit to Prashant's capital account being commission paid. And finally, after all these postings completed, we do the totaling, which is coming as 3,71,000 on the credit side. Same total we write it here, and we subtract all these heads of the debit column till 1,000, and the balancing figure is realization profit 29,500, which is distributed among the two partners Prashant and Rajesh in the profit sharing ratio 3:2, for which the journal entry goes realization account debit 29,500 to Prashant's capital account 17,700 to Rajesh's capital account 11,800, being realization profit credited to partners in their profit sharing ratio. I hope this realization account, hosting, as well as all of the discussion. So after realization account, the next account to be prepared is partners capital account. This is quite an easy thing for you all to prepare now since you have been doing admission, retirement, debt. By balance BD, this comes from your balance sheet as the capital of the two partners 42,000, 42,000 in their amount column. Realization account, this is the commission paid to the partner Prashant, for which I've already discussed the entry. Since this is coming from realization account, so you write here by realization account. Commission 1000. Next is Prashant's wife loan, which is coming from the realization account again by realization account 40,000. And finally, the profit distributed between the two partners 17,700, 11,800. Then the total of the two columns for the partners Prashant and Rajesh, the same total is copied on the debit side for both the partners, and then the postings on the debit side stands as to profit and loss account. If you remember, in the balance sheet, the profit and loss accumulated loss was given, which is distributed in the ratio 3:2. Then the partner Rajesh took over investment, which was on the credit side of realization account. It comes on the debit side of his capital account 27,000. And finally, after doing the balancing, the amount paid to partner Prashant is 95,900 and to Rajesh it is 23,600, for which the entry stands Prashant's capital account debit 95,900, Rajesh's capital account debit 23,600 to cash account, the total of these two amounts. I hope this capital account is clear to you. And then we move with this new account called Rajesh loan account. So remember, I have made you write in your copy that partner's loan account is not transferred to realization account, and the reason is we prepare a separate loan account for the partner, and here we bring this amount from balance sheet liability side. So we write by balance BD 24,000, just like you write for the capital by balance BD. This is also written as balance BD 24,000. You can see this. And how is it settled? By making the payment to the partner Rajesh, for which the journal entry is Rajesh loan account debit to cash account 24,000, being loan paid to Rajesh, being loan repaid to Rajesh by the firm. So Rajesh loan account is settled, both sides equal 24,000. So after preparing realization account, partners capital account and Rajesh loan account, this is our final account of the question. Cash account, you bring down the balance from the balance sheet 6,000. Remember this was given in the asset side of balance sheet, so we bring it down on the debit side. Then in realization account, we have sold the assets and the compound amount was 2,12,000. So the entry is cash account debit to realization account 2,12,000. On the credit side, realization account, if you remember, creditors and expenses paid off, the total was 74,500. So this has come collectively for creditors and expenses. This time I have not written in bracket here. Now you should understand this. This is coming from the debit side to the credit side of cash account from the debit side of realization account. So we write by realization account. Rajesh loan account, we have paid to him on the debit side, so this comes on the credit side of cash account. And the final settlement amount paid to partner Prashant and Rajesh 95,900 and 23,600. Finally, the total adds up to 2,18,000 both on the credit side as well as on the debit side. This completes cash account. So total 4 accounts prepared in this question, from realization account to partners capital account, from partners capital account to Rajesh loan account, and finally cash account. I hope you have understood this question properly and followed the explanation given by me. With this hope that you will understand and also solve this. And when you solve this question, children, please do write the journal entries also in one format of journal so that you understand what are the entries, because in examination there's equal chance of both entries, or they can ask you these accounts. So we mostly focus on account, but you should also practice journal entries. Each entry I have discussed with you, and then complete this. Let's hope that we have smoothly moved into this chapter dissolution. Towards the end, this class ends here. Wish you all very best. Take care, keep practicing accounts, and stay happy. Thank you very much.